Oh, somber sky, your tears descend, a veil of gray that knows no end. The world outside, a muted scene where droplets dance on windows clean. The pitter patter on the roof, a rhythm soft yet waterproof. The streets below, a mirror sheen, reflect the clouds, a silvery screen. In puddles deep, the skies embrace, a liquid canvas, time and space. The trees stand still, their branches bare, adorned with jewels beyond compare. Rainy days can be dreary, but what they bring can be cheap, cheap, a cozy warmth within these walls, as rain outside gently falls. The scent of earth, so fresh and new, awakens senses tried and true. Rainy days can be cheery, but what they bring can be cheap, cheap, cheap. In contemplation, I do dwell on nature's song, a soothing spell. This dreary day, a gift so rare, a pause from life's relentless glare. Rainy days can be cheery, but what they bring can be cheap, cheap, cheap. So let it rain, let spirits lift, for in this gray there is a gift, a chance to slow, to breathe, to be.